morning vlog. I just woke up. I've just been laying on my phone, but I am going to New York today with Janelle and Arianne. God, I literally, I don't know, this is the most I've hung out with them in the past, like, ever. Like, since I've ever known them. We've hung out, like, maybe 3 times in the past week. Before I go to Janelle's house, I need to run some errands. I need to go to the grocery store because I have no food at home. I need to wrap Janelle's gift. And tomorrow is Christmas Eve. Jeez. Also, look, these are what my bangs look like in the morning. I feel like that's the worst thing about having bangs. You actually have to style them and make them look nice, and I'm not used to that. Good morning, cat. Good morning, cat. Now I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get some food, and then I'm gonna come home, get ready. That's my plan for right now. Right now it's currently 10:42. Let's round it up. It's currently 11. I'll get home by 12. I need to get going, so let's go. I got the scarf in New York. Isn't it so cute? I got it on the intersection of, I think, 7th Ave and 48th Street. It kind of blew up on TikTok, these like scarves, but like it's crazy because I would pass that scarf cart all the time. My modeling agency was like right in front of it. But I finally decided to get one of the scarves. Oh shoot, I don't have any bags. And my cat has ran out of the apartment, so. What are you doing? You're not getting any toys for Christmas. Why do you do this to me? Just thank God that when she runs out of the apartment, she like just goes up the stairs. But if she ever actually like left and went into the outdoors, she would definitely run into a car and die. You're so stupid. But I am in the process of leash training her, where I put the harness on her, and hopefully I can start taking her for walks. So, all right, bye cat. Now I need to go. Don't do that again. Some things that are new in here. Look at this couch. I got it from IKEA. Isn't it so cute? Also, look at this coffee bar. Isn't this like the most cutest thing you've ever seen? Ever. Oh, stretch. Stretch. Oh, flop. So, I got Janelle this like dollhouse making set. She hasn't even built her first one yet. Like she's still in the process of doing her first one, so I'm kind of scared that she's gonna like never want to do another one ever again. So this is kind of a risk because it's kind of a new hobby, you know? I feel like that just comes from my own insecurity because every time I start a new hobby I never finish it. I know she really wanted this, but look how cute it is. I honestly don't have time for this, but it's okay. This I got for Sharaya, and it's like the replica from SpongeBob because she loves SpongeBob. And it has like little, bruh, open up. It has like little Patrick and SpongeBob on the inside. Isn't that so cute? For my brother, I got him this Sharpie set because he's like into drawing now. This is so cool though. I also got him something off of Amazon, but it's not here yet. Honestly, I'd show you the rest, but I don't have any more time. So, okay, so I want to go very simple today because I don't have time. And also, I'm eating bread. I just bought bread from the grocery store and I want to try it out on different spreads. So I have butter, cookie butter, and then cheese. Don't judge me. Thanks. Janelle got me this Rare Beauty blush for Christmas, and I love it so much. I've been wearing it every day nonstop for the past week. Dude, I've been tapping for like 10 minutes. Jesus. So here's how I do my hair. Okay, first I'm gonna wet my hair and like take only like the bang section. And then I'm also gonna wet the side areas too, but like push them more towards the side-ish. So now that I have it wet like that, I'm gonna take my Olaplex number 7. I really like this a lot. So I'm going to like one drop and rub it between my fingers and put it on my hair. I have my blow dryer. I have this like mini round brush, and I'm really bad at doing this. So I usually do this first, where I like take it all and put it like this and then blow dry it. So this is what gets it in the front, because blow drying it this way like makes it stay in the front. And also I've noticed that my bangs have been growing out. It's like kind of been hitting my eyes a little bit, but now that's all in the front, you can kind of see what pieces you want on the side and what you want in the front. So I'm just going to take these pieces and push them more outwards, and then with the side pieces here, I'm gonna take it and then roll it kind of inwards like that. Not the power going out. I always do that because every time I use the heater and the blow dryer at the same time, the power just goes out. You see what I mean by like how the bangs kind of like go on my eyes? I want to see if I can try to fix that today. I don't know, make it more curled, I guess, so that the thing is my hair is just so straight that I don't think it just does that, you know? Okay, I tried. Honestly, it was fine the first time I did it, but then I kept going and now it looks kind of bad. But it's okay. This is my hair and I decided on like a crew neck and this like tennis skirt-ish. I wanted to wear this scarf, but it doesn't go with it. Oh, I don't care, I'm wearing this scarf. And I still need to wrap Janelle's present. Now I'm 5 minutes away from Janelle's house and I didn't vlog much because my camera ended up dying and I was stressing out because I'm late and I also forgot Janelle's present. So it's great, it's going great. Also look, oh my god, it looks so pretty. I'm easily influenced by TikTok, so I'm using the Revlon lipstick that's been trending, but I didn't get like the shade that people normally get because it was like sold out. So I got a different shade that happens to be a lot lighter and it's like kind of orangish, but it looks really pretty. I don't know, my bangs kind of look a lot better grown out than they did a few days ago. And I feel like I really like the way I like styled it today. I think it looks cute. Honestly, I'm running late. The bus leaves at 2:30 and I'm gonna get there at 2:16. So we'll make it, we'll make it. Bye.
We're gonna go grab bagels.
Yes, because I was way too late and now we're gonna miss the bus. So I could have gotten Janelle's gift, but I just, you know, it's okay. Look, I'm wearing the Revlon lipstick.
Oh my god,
it's
you
nice,
found
right?
it.
So I got a really light color and I was really nervous. But actually I really
It's
like
sheer.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's always my fear because I feel like I have pigmented lips. So whenever I wear anything lighter than it, I look kind of dead.
That was my mistake when I was younger. So when I went to the store, I bought literal nude lipstick and it like matched my skin.
That's so ugly.
Yeah. We ate the bagels, but I forgot to film it. Actually, I didn't get a bagel. I got a, what is it called? An apple turnover? Janelle's bagel is actually pretty good too. I approve. Hi guys. Say hi, Arianne.
I didn't bring my camera like an idiot again.
You didn't bring it?
Yeah.
Oh, I feel like I'm always the one filming and you just don't do it.
No, bitch, I literally like film all the time. It could be like a romantic moment between me and my boyfriend, and I'll like whip out the camera and start filming it.
Central, and then
But you also walk.
Oh, I love when they plan everything for me and I don't have to do anything. I just stand here.
We're walking outside for 15 minutes according to Arianne.
15 minutes? Oh man, you want me to die.
I dressed pretty good for this one.
You did, but my hands are still cold. I think it's like the coldest it's been all winter so far. Ow, ow, my hands, I can't feel them.
Jarissa brushing my hair.
Jarissa brushing. I feel like it's just the three of us like being mentally ill and like.
No, we're gonna be like whispering to ourselves.
Like you just see me.
Yeah, and like me like dancing.
Or like writing a letter.
While crying. To your deceased husband in the war.
We made it to a cafe. It was so cold outside. Oh my god. Got hot chocolate. We honestly only had a 6-minute drive because we took a lift, but it ended up being closed. So we walked like 10 minutes. So that lift was like useless. Okay, I got a burger. Arianne got tuna melt. And Janelle got
Chicken salad sandwich.
Oh, there we go.